Hi, my name is Alex CARR. I'm a project engineer and a contracting officer representative here at the Western Kentucky Resident Office. Some of my job responsibilities here are overseeing both Kentucky Lock mega project contracts as well as other small projects in our area. What's most important about my job here at Kentucky Lock is positive communication between our government team as well as the contractor team to ensure we're all on the same path with a common goal in mind. This helps eliminate any kind of time issues, documentation issues, or schedule issues that we may realize and prevent them before they happen. Working on a project such as Kentucky Lock is very personally rewarding because it is such a big project. It is really nice to get this experience and also give back to the local community and move more industry through our area.
Hi, I'm Mark DOLDER. I'm a civil engineer here at the Chickamauga Lock Replacement Project in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Here at the Chick Lock office, I identify changes, negotiate those changes, and then get them applied so that the contractors can be made whole at fair and reasonable prices to the government. I also have responsibilities with safety and quality assurance. I thoroughly enjoy every single person I work with. Instead of getting one barge and a tug through the lock at a time, now we're doing 6 barges and 1 tug through the lock at once. So we're looking to increase the amount of material that's floated up and down the Tennessee River, adding to economic growth both upstream and downstream.
Hi, I'm Park Ranger Judy Dalton. I'm a natural resource specialist here at Lake Cumberland in Kentucky. I manage 5 campgrounds and supervise 6 park attendants, and I interact with my park attendants to help resolve issues, and I interact with the campers to ensure that all of their issues is resolved and that they are comfortable and that they get to enjoy their stay while they're here on Lake Cumberland. I love being in the outdoors. I love walking my boundary line, and I love getting in the campgrounds and seeing people enjoy their recreation time at the campgrounds and on the lake while they're boating, and just interacting and meeting new people and helping them have a safe and good weekend, hopefully, and educating them and answering their questions that they have from day to day.
Hi, I'm PHILLIP SLIGER, and I'm a park ranger at Center Hill Lake. I am over the visitation, and I'm also over the perimeter camping, the boundary line inspection and surveying of any encroachments on Center Hill Lake. What I enjoy most about my job is that I'm outside every day, and I can do something different every day as well. Whether it's getting ready for a wildlife viewing area, which I use this 4-wheeler and bush hog for to clear out in front of this viewing area, or a youth hunt coming up. It's a good teamwork opportunity that we have here at Center Hill. Everybody just works together, and we kind of get the job done to protect the core property and make sure that the stakeholders have a great experience when they come to Center Hill Lake.
Hi, I'm Christian Stringer, the Master Tender of the Pride of the Cumberland at Lake Cumberland. I'm responsible for the operation and maintaining the Pride of the Cumberland, as well as the safety of the crew that operates the Pride. The most satisfying thing is knowing that we pick up debris that could wind up in somebody's prop and we get it out of the reservoir so it isn't endangering people's lives. And it's spread out over 1,255 miles of shoreline. So the best way that we can try to overcome this challenge is stay on the water as much as possible and get as much debris as we can every day.
Hi, I'm Russell Butler. As a lock and dam equipment mechanic, I'm responsible for the mechanical equipment and the electrical equipment. The thing I enjoy the most is it's not the same thing every day. One day I might be welding, the next day I might be doing something electrical. A lot of this equipment's old, so in a way it's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. You have to find up a way to improvise or something to fill in for it, and that's the fun, challenging parts of the job. One of the challenges is our workflow. You can see it's tight space. We've actually had to modify our carts in order to get all the tools and all the parts, because when things go down, goods and fuel, it doesn't get to Nashville, and it can have a major economical impact, so we need to be able to work at high rates of speed in certain situations.
Hi, my name is Joe ADAWAG. I'm a civil engineering tech for the Nashville District. We're here at Cheatham doing some corrective maintenance to the lock and dam. I have several responsibilities two of which is technical support and quality control. The most important aspect is that we all worked as a team to get the work done on time. It's nice to pass on the knowledge I've learned in 32 years to these younger mechanics so they can apply it. They apply it to other USA's projects. Personal satisfaction is that Cheatham Lock is fully functional and allowing commodities to get to Nashville and beyond, but most of all, being part of that team that made it happen.
My name is Nathan ALFORD. I'm an office engineer technician of the Eastern Tennessee Resident Office for the Nashville District, and I'm the contracting officer's representative for the Mountain Home National Cemetery Expansion Project in Johnson City, Tennessee.
We're putting in over 3,000 precast concrete units, over 3,000 in-ground cremation units, and over 3,000 above-ground cremation. We're going in and pre-placing crypts and shooting in sections and grids for cremation plots, where it expands the capability of Mountain Home for veterans, the number of veterans that can be buried here. My dad is actually buried here in the historic side of the cemetery. I know I'm getting to do something that helps veterans out. It's still part of the Army mission, and it's the Corps being able to interact with the VA.